Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming capability and choosing which line will handle data and calls. Insert the physical SIM into the correct tray and activate the eSIM or second physical SIM in settings. This prevents slot confusion. Once done, label them immediately as work or personal to avoid switching mistakes. You do this now because early labeling saves repeated reconfiguration. Make sure both carriers show signal and verify roaming/data permissions so the phone can prioritize the preferred SIM without interruptions. You next assign explicit roles so the phone behaves predictably. Set one SIM as the default for mobile data and optionally choose a different default for calls and SMS. Once done, enable VoLTE LTE and Wi-Fi calling on the intended SIM to maintain call quality. Make sure data roaming and APN settings match carrier requirements. Incorrect APNs block internet access. If your phone supports automatic data switching, enable it for uninterrupted service, but understand it may swap networks when signal weakens. You finish by practicing daily actions. Use quick settings to pick a SIM for a call or mobile data and test by making a call, sending a message, and browsing. Once done, monitor battery and signal because dual SIM can increase power use. Optimize by disabling the unused SIM when not needed. If one SIM fails, make sure APN and carrier settings are correct, toggle airplane mode, reboot the phone, or reinsert the SIM. If that fails, contact the carrier for provisioning issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.